great wolf has arrived. What's up, Alex? You're live on TV. Just want to film the dog.
It's MTV Cribs. Welcome to my crib.
How you doing? Oh yeah. This way. You don't go where this dog is without knowing this dog. I guarantee you that. That's a beautiful dog, man. All right, about to go somewhere special.
Welcome. Studio. Where all the magic happens.
Oh yeah.
That's right. That's right. You know, just note for the video, half of this equipment was supplied by the white man behind the camera.
You know, gotta do something right every once in a while.
That's right. Yeah, that's right, man.
Let's preview some music, man. Let's preview some music.
Little preview right here, bro. I don't know what project is gonna go on yet. I'm actually writing to this shit, but I ain't gonna show that.
Fabian! Oh yeah! Hold on, man. Hold on, man. This is. That's the most amount of hair you gonna see on someone, and I guarantee you. Go ahead, give him the 360, Fabian. There we go. There we go. There we go. Yay! Rolling.
For my people, we are officially inside the gym. Today we're just fucking, we're shooting today in the life. Fucking shoulder warm up, but we're really doing back today.
And cut fucking bullshit. We're really just in here because Adrian got a new camera. I got a camera and we just want to see what the fuck it's like to shoot videos. It's kind of weird being in the gym with a camera because like it draws extra attention to you, and we already draw enough attention as it is.
He ain't lifting nothing. He ain't lifting nothing. Don't let him fool you.
It's stall tactics. See it.
The world famous tricep.
Let's see it. Let's see it again. Let's see it again. Alright, it's before we hit trials.
This before.
Warm up weight.
Stupid.
Oh yeah!
Stupid, bro. Why you smiling at the camera for, bro? Why you don't wink at me?
So you don't eat McDonald's.
I occasionally eat McDonald's.
So you don't like chicken nuggets.
No, it's fucking like fake chicken. You know what you put into your body?
What chicken nugget sauce don't you like?
I think I fuck with all of them. I ain't gonna lie.
So you don't eat McDonald's.
I occasionally eat McDonald's.
So you don't like chicken nuggets.
No, it's fucking like fake chicken. You know what you put into your body?
What chicken nugget sauce don't you like?
I think I fuck with all of them. I ain't gonna lie.
That's what I'm saying.
My favorite one is fucking buffalo.
Buffalo is fire.
I fuck with buffalo. I even fuck with barbecue. It's not my favorite because it's like the generic one they give you. But yeah, I guess I do fuck with chicken nuggets.
That's what I'm saying. It's all capped till you get asked a question about the sauce. It's fake chicken, but you like the sauce.
I fuck with the sauce. I'll eat it with the fries. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How many was that? 5?
26. Got me actually sweating, and I was sweating.
Workout number 3. Adrian's already sweating and bitching. You know, out here, man. Busting this shit. She having to go work now.
He ain't living nothing.
Nothing right now because he warming up, but
Uh-huh.
you know, I'm having to go work out. I ain't gonna lie. I did what I said I would. Oh, this shot is stupid tough. Shit about that weight now, huh?
I don't know what the hell you're doing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All the way back, yes sir. Face of a hardworking man.
This is how we get down over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go, there you go. That's what's up, that's what's up. Let them know what time it is, man.
I feel like that camera will make me feel.
Will make me
look cute, bro.
There you go, flex on him, flex on him, flex on him.
Hey, I think if the camera looks like your hair looks better in the
The hair looks better?
make it look white, lighter.
Let's see the haircut. Go ahead, go ahead. Show him the legs, show him the legs. All right, all right.
Next one got the tongue twisted.
The shot, the-
toes, bro. Don't get the toes. Hell yeah, man.
two of my favorite people in the gym, bro. Fuck with me. Alright. Going like this way, then it's a wrap for you. There you go. See, Tricep King?
Tricep King in the building.
What we got? What we got? Too much shoulder.
Trying to get my shoulders bigger.
There you go. Nope.
Ah, burns. The little curl machine, one of my favorites. Guns are us.
Get started. We ain't even there yet. 100%. Let's see what we got. What are we working with? Let's see. We're about to get started on the arms. What do we got? This is pre. This is pre. Let me see. Flex a little bit. One time. One time. Back up. Back up. One time. One time. For the one. Flex. Nah, flex for real. Flex for real. Alright, this is a pre. This is a pre. About to put him through the Alex fucking arm workout. That's right. Let's go. Biceps looking good.
About to be famous right now, man.
This is the spot.
How are you guys?
How's it going?
Doing good. No pressure, no pressure.
No pressure?
World famous acai bowls, man.
Glad you opened again. We were sad when we didn't have our acai bowls. Can we get 2 of the classic acai bowls, please, with peanut butter and honey on top?
Don't film my card number.
Come on, man.
Really? I know, right?
Never know, man.
It's good?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
I'm dead beat, bro.
That's right. How's it feel to be working out?
Feels better than not working out, I'll tell you that much. Being tired is better than just feeling like you ain't doing that, man, because that ain't nothing worse than that.
It's true.
Plus you get good sleep, frees the mind, gets you prepared for
So-
another day cutting hair.
Some endorphins going, you know what I mean? Fight that depression.
Barbering is like, you gotta get your body strong because you're always in bad position, so it's good to go to the gym. All the barbers out there, a lot of young ass barbers that don't work out at all because they're young. And when you get older, you're gonna have like a hunchback, you're gonna be fat. It's important, man, because there's no movement in barbering. You don't burn no calories.
Fucking hours of straight standing.
Yeah, I run, go to the gym, and it's like it's with the job, bro. It's quintessential.
Health is wealth.
Health as well.
Self-care is important. No matter.
Acai bowls are fire here too, by the way.
Yes, sir. Who put you on?
That guy right there.
That's right. That's right.
Alex.
How's the workout today?
It's a good workout.
1 to 10?
We did good considering cameras.
Double camera, bro?
Double camera, bro. Everybody was on us, like all the girls was on us. People was on us, like asking us questions, like, "Hey, can I borrow this?" Like, yeah. But it was a good workout. I feel like we would have did probably like 20% more without the cameras, but
Bro, I'm kind of glad my camera died.
yeah,
It helped, honestly. It's less shit to do and more workout.
a little bit less, man. Yeah, I'm ready for like a acai bowl nap.
Yes, sir.
Got me over here with my fanny pack, man. Champion life.
Come on.
Wow, look at that. Nope, I'm master. So
Peanut butter, honey, classic acai bowl for you.
That's right, thank you.
that right there, man.
Do you get those requests often?
Oh yes.
Yeah, yeah, hell yeah.
The peanut butter probably mainly the guys who work out like you guys.
Right. The fruit in there and shit. That one's the one I'm looking crazy. Like a little distance. With the right there, that's the shot. Yes, sir.